Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect an existing domain to your Shopify store. This is essential if you already own a domain and want to use it for your online shop instead of the default Shopify URL. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your store, from payments to shipping, and importantly for us today, your domain settings. After clicking Settings, you'll be taken to a new page with several options on the left side. Here, locate and click on Domains. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the web addresses associated with your Shopify store. It's where you can add new domains, connect existing ones, or manage the ones you're already using. On the Domains page, look towards the top of the screen and click on Connect Existing. This option is specifically for domains you already own through another provider. It's different from buying a new domain directly through Shopify. A dialog box will appear prompting you to input your domain. Type in your domain name exactly as it appears, for example, sample.com, and then click Next. This tells Shopify which domain you want to link to your store. Now, Shopify will display detailed steps on how the connection will be established. You'll see three main tasks that need to be completed. First is checking DNS records, which ensures your domain is properly configured. Second, you'll need to log in to your domain provider and open DNS management for your domain. This is typically done through your registrar's website, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or whoever you purchased your domain from. Third, you'll be asked to add a specific record to verify domain ownership. Shopify provides the exact details you need to input. Finally, you'll need to update existing records with the information Shopify provides. These records tell the internet where to direct traffic when someone types in your domain. Take your time with these steps, as DNS changes can take a few minutes to process. Once you've completed all the required changes in your domain provider's dashboard, return to Shopify and click I updated DNS records. This confirms to Shopify that you've made the necessary changes on your end. And that's it. Your existing domain is now connected to your Shopify store. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, though it usually happens much faster. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.